If you're seeing a Google Drive error 401 unauthorized, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest ways to fix it step by step. This error usually means Google Drive isn't properly authenticated, you're signed into the wrong account, or your browser session has gotten stuck. The good news is that in most cases, you can resolve it in just a few minutes without needing any advanced technical skills. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more helpful fixes, and let's jump straight into the solution. First, let's start with the simplest fix, which is signing in again. Open Google Drive in your web browser, then look to the top right corner and click your profile picture. From there, click Sign Out. Once you're fully signed out, sign back into your Google account again. This helps refresh your authorization and often clears up temporary login issues that can trigger the 401 unauthorized error. Next, make sure you're using the correct Google account. A very common reason for this error is being logged into an account that does not have permission to access the file or folder. So after signing in, double check that the account you're using is the same one that was shared the file. If the file was sent to a different Google account, Drive may block access and show the 401 error instead. If needed, switch accounts and try again. Now, reopen the file link, copy the full Google Drive link again if possible, then paste it into a new browser tab. Sometimes a broken, old, or expired link can cause authorization problems. Opening the link fresh gives Drive a clean request and can solve access issues immediately. If the file loads properly, then the problem was likely with the session or the original link. If the error is still there, the next step is to clear your browser cache and cookies. In Google Chrome, open Settings, then go to Privacy and Security. Click Clear Browsing Data and make sure you clear cookies as well as cached images and files. After that, restart your browser completely and try Google Drive again. Old cookies and cached login data can sometimes conflict with your current Google session, which is why this step is so effective. Another great fix is to use Incognito Mode. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and N, and on Mac, use the equivalent private browsing shortcut for your browser. Then open Google Drive again in the Incognito window and try accessing the file. Incognito Mode disables many extensions and uses a cleaner session, which makes it useful for testing whether the issue is caused by a browser extension or saved login conflict. If Incognito works, then the problem is probably coming from your normal browser session, cookies, or an extension. In that case, you may want to disable extensions one by one or clear your browser data again more thoroughly. But in most situations, one of the steps in this video will fix the Google Drive error 401 unauthorized quickly. So to recap, sign out and sign back in, confirm you're using the correct Google account, reopen the file link in a fresh tab, clear your browser cache and cookies, and test Google Drive in Incognito Mode. These are the most reliable fixes for this issue and they should help restore access to your files. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.